Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about lists in Python. List in Python. Okay. First thing we have to check list. What is a list, right? And we will discuss about indexing in the list, and then um, we will go to list content and list operations. Okay. Let's go step by step. Indexing. Here I have written we are going to take a look at lists in Python. A list is sequenced collection of different objects such as integers, strings, and even other lists as well. The address of each element within a list is called an index. An index is used to access and refer to items within a list. Okay, what is indexing? You have uh, read in the school or college when we are swiping the pages. In first page we usually receive the indexes, right? In which chapter is on which page? Correct. Indexing. Indexing is something like this. For example, element 1. Let me quickly brief about list indexing. Okay. Then we will go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indexing, right? You can see here Rahul Singh XYZ. This is for Rahul. This is the index. Index 1, index 2, index 3. This is the index, right? This is the object. This is the column where I have written my name, and this would be called the index. Okay, I hope you understood. Then, for example, element 1 has zero index because in Python index starts from zero. Please take a note. Index starts from zero. Element 2 there is 1, element 3 2, element 4 3, and element 5 4. Elements index. I hope you got my point. To create a list, then we will move ahead and check. To create a list, type the list within a square bracket. For example, if you want to create a list, you have to write, for example, this is the square bracket. And what is this? For example, let me see. I have given a variable a is equal to square bracket. Okay. Print type type of what? Type of a. What is a? A class is a list. For a is a variable in which I have written um, brackets, means the class of this bracket is list, right? Whenever you will write a list, then you have to write in whole bracket, correct? I hope you got my point. um, let's go ahead and we will see here. L Michael Jackson 10.1982. L is equal to L is a variable under which we created a list. List always close with a bracket, right? A square bracket. Okay. So shift plus enter. Then we have created a list L. Okay. We can use negative and regular indexing with a list. We can use negative indexing as well. Negative indexing will start from right side, and positive indexing starts from left side. Okay. L is variable is equal to, this is our list in which indexing is 0 1 2 0 1 2. Okay, from down to index minus 1, 1 index minus 2, 0 index minus 3, means starts from backward. Okay, I hope you got my point. If you want to see, print the element on each index. Print the same element using negative and positive. Okay. For example, if I want to print a same object with positive and negative for zero we have to write minus 3, 0 and minus 3, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. Okay. I hope you got my point. List start from back, right side and left side. You can depends on your choice what you want to do with list. This is our output we have which we have created. Then we will go ahead list content. What is list content? I want to explain in a simple way so that you can learn step by step without skipping. Lists can contain string. These are data types. I hope you understood the data types. Okay. List can contain strings, floats, and integers. We can nest other lists. Nest other list means list inside a list. List inside a list called nested list. For example, Michael Jackson, this is another list, which means on list, this is first list, this is second list inside the list. Means list inside the list called nested list. Okay, and we can also nest tuples. We have inserted here a tuple. This is the tuple. Okay, we will discuss in another video about tuples. Tuples and other data structures. The same indexing convention apply for nesting. Okay, I hope you got my point. The same indexing convention apply for nesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you got my point. And another term is list operations. We can also perform slicing in lists. For example, if we want the two elements, we can use the command like this. If we want two elements, we can create the like this. For example, L is equal to Michael Jackson 10.1 1982 and J first 3 and 4. This is the simple list. Then we want two elements. Then list size slicing can we can do here. List slicing means list slicing is like this: 3 to 5, 3 to 5. For example, I want to do for lists L list uh, 1 to 3. This is our output. Means 1 to 3. If we want to take this and this, then we have to have 1 2 3 means 1 and 2. I hope you understood. You can try at your own pace in your laptop so that you can understood properly. We can use method extend to add new elements to the list. Use extend to add elements to the list. Extend, if you have a list, if you have a fixed list, you want to add something in the list, you can use this. Okay, let's play extend word. Let's take an example. If you have if you have a list, this is your list, and you want to extend with what, with 5, with 6, right? You can, sorry, there is something went wrong in this laptop. This is subscriptional, means built in, right? Let me check. Okay, okay, that means we have to write here in this bracket, and we can see print L. Okay, this is our list which we have extended. Okay, you have to write bracket inside the square bracket. I hope you got my point. Okay. This term extent is very important. Please take a note. Okay. You will see many examples when you will work on any project. Another similar method is append. If we apply append instead of extend, we add one element to the list. Use append. L dot append means you have created a nested list inside a list by using append method. Okay. Then each time we apply method, the list changes. If we apply extend to, we add two elements to the list. The list L is then modified with the new two elements. Okay, list will modify. Okay, we if we append the list A comma B, we have one new element consisting of a nested list. I hope this is I have already explained to you append. If you want to do append, then we will get a list inside a list. Our lists are mutable. We can change them. For example, we can change the first element as follows. I hope you got this. Okay. I'm hoping you have not any issue with this. Okay. We can also delete an element of a list using del. Del command is used to delete. I delete the element on the index. If you want to delete 0 means this would be deleted. Let's print this. Okay. Before change this and after change this. This is the A value. I'm hoping there till now no problem. We can convert a string to a list using split. For example, the method split translates every group of characters separated by a space into an element in a list. Means split the string. Default is by space. You will get this. Split. You can split a string. I have already written these codes and these lines, these definitions for your convenience so that you can write and you can do at your own pace with yourself. And I will also provide questions related to these terms and these formulas and these codes. Okay, you can try and comment me back the answers of those questions. We can use split function to separate strings on a specific character which we call a delimiter. We pass the character we would like to split on into argument, which is this case is a comma. The result is a list and each element corresponds to a set of characters that have been separated by a comma. Split the string by comma. If you want to split the string, you can split. This would be splitted by with the comma. You can check. Got it? Copy and colon. When we set one variable b equal to a, both a and b are referring the same list in the memory. Copy by reference the list means this is a variable. B is equal to a, print a and b. You will get this same answer. Name, reference, and list. I hope you understand by this visual. Initially, the value of the first element in B is set as hard. If we change the A to banana and we get the side effect as A and B reflecting the same list. If we change list A, then list B also changes. If we check the first list of B, we can get banana instead of hard cock. We want to change, right? Then we will print this would be changed. This demonstrated in the following figure. You can understand by this visual. Hard rock. Okay. You can colon list A by using the following syntax. You can colon the list. Means whole list will be copy. Variable B the colon. You can understand by this figure what I did. Just colon. I just create a copy. Now if you change A comma B will not change. If you want to replace, then it will not be changed. Quiz. This quiz you have to do in your laptop and give me outputs in the comment box so that I can I can understand that these videos are helpful for you guys. Okay, these are the questions. Please take a screenshot related to whatever I have taught in this video. Please take a screenshots. This was the whole slide. I hope you understand and you will revise this whole slide, and you can ask anything in the comment box related to lists which I recently taught. Okay, and please do like and subscribe so that my efforts um, can create an impact with you with your learning, and so that I can improve myself as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.